Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Tapswap account to Ton wallet or Ton blockchain or Ton keeper, anyone you call it. So first of all, if you don't have Ton keeper or Ton blockchain wallet, all you need to do is go to Play Store, and then search for Ton keeper. Search for Ton keeper. So this is the Ton keeper or Ton wallet. So you install it on your phone. Then after installing it, open it. Now listen to me very attentively. After installing Ton wallet, you are required to sign up. That is if you have not signed up before. And in the process, you are going to be given this thing. You are going to be given phrase or known as secret code. Those codes are what you are going to be using to access your account. Let's say you buy another phone and you want to log in into that Ton wallet in that account or in that your new phone, okay? Then you'll be needing that secret code or phrase to access it. Or let's say you lost your phone, for example. I'm not saying you will lose your phone, I'm just giving you example. The importance of that phrase, just like the way you guys do it on Trust Wallet. So you can see that I have signed up, and that is the reason why you can see my dashboard here on Ton. So that secret phrase, you are going to save it somewhere, screenshot it, write it out somewhere, then save it. After that, you click on done. Then what you're going to do after you are done signing up with Ton keeper, what you're going to do now is that you are going to open Telegram. Go to your Tapswap account, open Telegram. Then open Tapswap. When you open Tapswap, wait for it to load. Once it's done loading, then the connection begins. So let's wait for network to give us access. My network is taking a bit time to load. Okay, so let's be patient. Okay, successful. So guys, when you sign into your Tapswap account, you look up, you are going to be seeing ×2. You see this place here written ×2. That is where you will now link your wallet. Now Tapswap, it seems like Tapswap is going to be launching on or listing on Ton blockchain. So for you to connect now your Ton account or Ton wallet address, click on this ×2 here. When you click on it, you can see double balance, double your shares balance with this limited time offer, available once only. Then click on connect wallet. So when you click on connect wallet, by then you might have installed the Ton keeper, sign up and everything. You can see this place here. You can still use Telegram on if you want, but for me, I want to use the Ton app. So you can see the Ton app here, Ton keeper. Click on it. So when you click on it, it will automatically bring you to the Ton app, to the Ton keeper app. Do you understand? Then you can see now, connect to tapswap.ai. Then all you need to do is to click on connect wallet. Make sure that enable notification, make sure that is connected. Then click on connect wallet. Then you will be required to enter your password. Or I'm using fingerprint to access my own. So I will use my fingerprint. So but if you are using passcode, you use passcode to access your own. So that is it, guys. And that is how you connect it. Okay, that's how we will successfully connect your account. You can see it's connecting. As simple as that. It does not require much time, just few minutes you are done connecting it. So that's how it's been done, guys.